Alright folks, That Guy Flies RC here. Gonna take up the top RC FW190. Gonna have a little bit of fun with her. This is the second time I have ever flown this plane. So let's take her up and see what we think of her. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Gear up.
I'm running a 2700 Hobby Star 3S. And like I say, she's got an AS3X. She doesn't have AS3X. She has no kind of gyro or stabilization of any type. Running an AR620 antennaless receiver. Interesting enough, from what I've been told, those antennaless receivers are made by Motorola radio. So now I haven't confirmed that. That's just what I've been told. So anyway, it's a nice little plane. It's 1100 millimeter or 1.1 meter wingspan. She does have some land or navigation lights, but you can't really see them with this bright. So let's see if we can't get a landing out of this bad boy. There we go. There we go. Not the best landing, but I'll take it, that's for sure. All right. Get her turned around here. And let's see, the wind has died a little bit, so let's see how effective takeoff flaps will be. Oh yeah.
Gear up. Landing flaps.
Whoa, sorry.
Flaps up.
Had to look down real quick. Still don't have my muscle memory completely dialed in on the NX10, because the NX10 is actually smaller than my DX9. So everything's off just a little bit on position. But that's a good looking plane. That is a really very handsome flyer. Yeah.
Gear down. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Well, like I say, on this plane here, there is no adjustments for CG unless you put weight in. They say so even in the manual for this plane. They say CG is spot on if you put the battery in the only spot that it's available for it. There we go. There we go. All right, we're going to take off one more time. But we got such a strong wind, you definitely want to take off into the wind. You don't want to have to fight it. Let's get turned around. Now, you're going to want to hold a little bit of right rudder as you take off, because she does have a little bit of torque to the left. So you give a little bit of right rudder and that'll counteract that. I love the sequence doors on this plane. The sequence doors on the landing gear is awesome. Nice little touch for such an inexpensive plane. Hobby King carried her for a long time for 165, of course under the Hobby King brand, but even when you got her, the instructions said top RC.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
So let's go ahead and do a nice slow pass here with the gear down. Flaps are up, but gear's down. Very short. Now the gear are not scale at all. If this was scale, that gear would be very, very tall, and the stance on the ground would sit very high. But they did that, I guess, to make it easier for pilots, I guess. You might want to work a little bit of rudder into your turn though. That tail does seem to want to drag. So, all right, we're going to land into the wind. Definitely into the wind. Whoa. And there we go. We'll call that a good, successful second flight. And what do you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor off.
Motor off, that's right. That's one of the reasons why I love audio prompts. All right, folks, well, thank you for watching. That's the Top RC Focke-Wulf 190. I got it at BitGo Hobby. That's where you can get yours. Also, Buddy RC is going to be carrying this too. All right, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.